Prop drilling is when you pass props through multiple layers of components, even if only one deep child needs the data. For example, you might pass a user object from the app through a navbar, then into a profile, and finally into an avatar. None of the middle components actually need the data, but they have to pass it along. This clutters your code, makes refactoring hard, and increases bugs. Let's look at 3 clean solutions that React developers use to fix this. First, the Context API combined with useReducer. With Context, we wrap our components in a provider, which makes state and actions available to any child below it. No more drilling. The reducer helps manage complex state updates in a structured way. In the example, we create a store context, then inside our store provider, we use the reducer hook to manage state. Finally, any descendant component can call useContext to read the state or dispatch actions. This is perfect for medium-sized apps where you want simple global state without heavy tooling. Second, for larger apps, state libraries like Redux, Zustand, or Jotai are powerful choices. They give you a centralized store, meaning all state lives in one predictable place. Components can subscribe only to the parts they need, improving performance. And libraries like Redux come with developer tools for debugging, like time travel debugging, or middleware for logging. In the code example using Zustand, we create a store with a user value and a function to update it. Then in our component, we just call useStore to read or change the user. This makes scaling much easier than passing props everywhere. Finally, composition patterns. This is more about design than tools. You build a parent component that manages state internally using context, then expose clean child components that share the state. For example, in a tabs component, the parent manages which tab is active, and each tab child reads the active state directly. This avoids drilling, keeps the API simple, and makes the whole component reusable. You'll see this pattern in UI libraries like Chakra UI or Material UI. So those are 3 interview-ready solutions to stop prop drilling: context with reducers, powerful state libraries, and composition patterns. Each one balances simplicity, performance, and scalability depending on your app size. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with your dev friends, and subscribe for more React interview prep. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss the next breakdown.